Okay, let's take a look at some more examples. So on Friday and then the first few you did, you were mostly dealing with feet and inches. So let's deal with a little bit bigger measurement. Let's deal with miles. How about that? So we're going to do number 7 together. 2 miles is equal to how many yards? I want you to take a moment and create your own T-chart. Make sure that you're labeling it correctly and pause the video and let's see if you can solve it the way I would solve it. So go ahead and try to solve and then check back to see if you did it correctly. Okay, so hopefully you have created a T-chart. And remember we put the bigger measurement on the left. Well, what's bigger, miles or yards? If we go up to the STAR reference guide, our mile is on the left side. So your mile should also be on the left and yards on the right. And it said that 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards, correct? Yes. Okay, so then the question is, how many is 2 miles? Well, that just means I need to take 1,760 and multiply it by 2. Zero times 2 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 miles is equal to 3,520 yards. Now, on the next one, you're supposed to look in here. We'll fill in our chart. On this next one, you're supposed to see how many miles 8,800 yards is. Well, we know that we divide. When we go from small to big, I divide. But it would be really hard to divide or to do long division with a 4-digit number on the outside. I'm not even sure how often they do that in the upper grades. It's possible, but it's kind of difficult and tedious. So let's do the opposite. Let's figure out what we would have to multiply by 1,760 in order to get 8,800. So we obviously know it's not 2 because we already did that. So it's going to be something a little more, maybe 3, 4, 5. Okay, so try some different multiplication, some multiples, and see which one is 8,800. All right.